F-star here. Well. Wait. Okay, never mind. Today I'm going to be opening up some battle starts. Yes, it has been a while since I've made a video, however, it's been hard because I had no ideas. And for this video, well, it's been a little bit complicated because it's been really hard to find some cards recently. So yeah, I finally went to a shop that was open that sold some. Here's the card if you do the thing online. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have a water energy, Carnivine. Is it Carnivine? I have no idea. I can't remember. Fearow, Grumpig, Blipbug, Roly-Coly, Chamaco, Onyx, Sizzlepede, Cherubi, and Full Ocarina. Not bad, not bad. A little off center. However, I don't really care because it's just been a pain finding packs. So I'll take this 100%. Oh. It's just complicated. Packs. Just pulling something to me is just phenomenal. You know what? I'm just gonna put it in a single sleeve. And this. Incredible luck, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye guys.